people. This is the first time ever I'm doing a recording just before leaving for office. Yesterday being the lunar eclipse and all, I don't know, I had a very disturbed sleep. Like, I kept waking up in the night, and from where I could see the moon, while I was still half asleep. So, I don't know. But if you were to check Instagram, they say the lunar eclipse has had some kind of effect on, but yeah, in a positive way, it's all the negative old energies have been, they can be transformed. But anyway, I have no idea why I'm recording this, but it's been, I won't say my dream, but I've been wanting to make a recording just before leaving for office, and today finally I've been able to do that. So yeah, it's July 16th or 17th, I'm not sure. But yeah, 2019 it is. Mhm. No, years from now, I look at this recording and think, which year was it put up in? Because yeah, much like these big vloggers, like mostly sane and all, she's been there for, I don't know, it's like I just saw one of her videos is 3 years ago. And Larissa Dissa, she's been there for 5 years. So that's the thing about YouTube, longevity. I can't say that word, but yeah. And see, today I'm all dressed. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.